guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can clear your history on ChatGPT. Now, if you also want to clear your history on ChatGPT, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC, and there on the search bar, you have to search for chat.openai.com. And then get logged into your ChatGPT account. Once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. And at the left side of your screen, you will be able to see all your history of ChatGPT. Now, to clear the history on ChatGPT, you have to simply tap on one of this topic, and then you have to tap on this bin icon. And in this way, you will be able to delete one of these topics. Now, if you want to delete your entire history on ChatGPT, then you have to tap on three dots at the bottom left of your screen, and there an expanded menu will appear on your screen. And from the menu, you will be able to see Clear Conversation option. Tap on that option, and there you have to tap on Confirm Clear Conversation, and then entire history on ChatGPT will be deleted. Now that's all it takes to delete your history on ChatGPT. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.